Let me introduce you to Stable Diffusion 2.0, which Stability AI has just officially released. This version makes significant improvements to the already amazing text-to-image and adds some additional features as well. You will now have the ability to do depth-to-image diffusion modeling, which is similar to putting textures on the static meshes in the Unreal 5 engine. This puts the Stable back in Stable Diffusion and gives the AI a blueprint to apply textures to while still giving the AI room to be creative and go ham on the model without coloring outside the lines. If you haven't already guessed, this is a game changer for AI art. If you would like to learn more about version 2.0, check out the links in my description for a GitHub repository with all the info you need and a Hugging Face link to try this tool immediately, which is currently being spammed by thousands of AI art enthusiasts. So I guess you can wait in line now to try this out immediately later. This has been a segment in a moment in AI history, and this moment has already passed.